What if I told you you could do your lashes at home in 4 simple steps for under 10 bucks? Would you think I'm crazy? Let me show you how. Pull up. I'll be using a tweezer, this spoolie, and this super hair bond glue. I will also be using the INV Luxe Black Knotted lashes in a size long. Just a few disclaimers. The glue I'm using is hair glue, not actual lash glue. So I would advise that you use an actual eyelash adhesive to put your lashes on. Also, there is an eyelash tweezer that makes this process so much easier. So if you can get your hands on those, definitely use the eyelash glue and the eyelash tweezer. The first thing I do is I put a drop of glue on that clear plastic that comes over the lashes. There is this glue ring that the girlies use. I don't have one. If you got one, use it, but you don't got to spend money where you don't got to spend money. And I use a small drop because the glue, it dries up pretty quickly. So if you put a lot of glue there, you're just going to be wasting it because it's going to grow a skin and then you can't use it. So just use a little drop, and if that dries up and you need more, you can jump in and put another little dot on it. Once you have the lash on the tweezer, you want to go ahead and scoop up a tiny bit of the glue on your lashes. And then you also want to clean off the back end because you're going to be applying it under your lash and you don't want to glue your eyes shut. I use one hand to lift the lid and then the other hand to apply the lash underneath my lashes close to the root. You want to avoid your waterline at all cost. So I'm just going to repeat these steps for you. You want to scoop up a little bit of glue on that lash, clean off the back of it so you don't stick your eyes together. Use one hand to lift your lid, the other hand to apply the lash close to your root but not on your waterline. Step 4, the final step, very important step, is adjust. Make sure they're secure and in the right spot. Those are the 4 simple steps to achieving gorgeous lashes at home for under $10. So now that we've got the important stuff out the way, I'm just going to speed up the rest of the video. You guys can watch me jam out and apply the rest of these lashes. Thank you for watching. I hope you learned something. I hope this really helps. And at the end, we're going to see the final product. Please. I love you so much. We can edit together. That's good bonding experience.
Edit? I told you I gotta study. I gotta really...
It takes 30 minutes tops.
No,
At least I'm gonna get one of these videos out tonight. Mima, I just one bad day you have. I just one bad day you have. Don't overthink it. Just one bad day. You have how much day you did it and I do good. And I do one day you did it and don't do good. So don't stress over it. It's one bad day. Yeah. Yeah. Being new to this YouTube lifestyle, I'm always losing footage, and I lost the clip of me finishing my lashes, but I did the same thing to the left one as I did the right one, and this is how they came out. I thought they were super beautiful, really natural looking, not too extra, not too long, exactly how I like it, and I hope this video helped. Thank you so much for watching.